Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through how to play the absolute classic by Elvis Presley, the song that launched him into international stardom, Heartbreak Hotel, from way back in 1956. I'll be showing you how to play the simplified version. I'll be showing you how to play the guitar solo. I'll be showing you how to play all the other bits in between. So make sure you stick around to the end. If you like today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it really does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So with all that said and done, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, Heartbreak Hotel, as promised, first we're going to start with a simplified version for the beginners. So the three chords we need are E major, A major and B 7th. So it's going to go like this. Since my baby left me, down, down, and ba-da-dee-dee, da-da, down, down, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba, da, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, B7, back to E. That's all there is to it. You can do the whole song like that, nice and basic. But if you want to do more like the record, we're going to do what Scotty Moore was doing, the lead guitar player. And what was happening is, I want you to make an F shape, so the F chord, we're going to slide that all the way up to the 12th fret, okay, and we're only going to play 4 strings. That's going to give us our chord of E major. And so Elvis would go, well, since my baby left me, and then Scotty Moore's up there with the E chord. Found a new place to dwell, twice. Down the end of lonely street. Then we've got the double bass bit. Now we can do that. What we're going to do, we're going to be E string, low E, 12, 10, 9, 7, 5. Now it's going to be twice on all of the notes except for the 5th fret. So 12, 10, 9, 7, 5. Okay, then what we've got is Scotty Moore's doing this picking thing that goes. Now what that is, that's that F shape again, but this time we're on the 5th fret. That's giving us our A chord, A major. And little finger's going to keep coming on and off on the 8th fret of the B string. So we've got. So let me just take you through the pick pattern of that. We're going to go D string, then B string with our little finger on, then take the little finger off, play the B string again, G string, D string. So D string, B string, little finger on, take it off, play the B string again, G string, D string. So and then slide up that shape to the 7th fret, giving us a B chord. And we're going to keep coming back to that D string. D. So D, E string, back to the D string. Then we're going to put our little finger there. This time that's going to make it up to the 10th fret because we've moved up. Yeah. And then E string again. So keep coming back, keep returning back to that D string. And then E major. And what that is E string, high E, back to the low E again, And then we're going to put our little finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and we're going to give it a little bend up. And then up pick on that E string. So let me take you through that. Everything we've done up to this point. Well, since my baby left me, 12th fret, I found a new place to dwell. It's down at the end of long run down. 12, 10, 9, 7, 5. Then we go, I'll be so lonely, baby. And then up to the 7th. Got it? And then to the E. Never down, ba bam, ba bam, ba bam, ba bam, ba ba dee dee da dee da 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 da. One more time. Da 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 da. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 da. And then we go. Okay, so that's how that is for that. Now we've got the guitar solo. Now, guitar solo is worth pointing out that if you listen to the record, I'm sure you have, you got Scotty Moore first, and then the piano player takes over. So what's going on there? I'll show you how to do Scotty Moore's bit, and then for the piano bit, I'm going to show you a version you can do on the guitar based on the piano part. So here we go. So first off, we're going to go. Okay, so it goes. Okay, so the way we're going to do that is we're going to slide up from the 11th fret to the 12th fret, hold and play the B string and the E string together. Got it? And then we're going to play the B string on the 12th fret, and on the 15th fret with our 3rd finger on the B string, and then 12th fret E string. So as you play that 15th fret, a little tiny bend up makes it a bit sweeter. So that's the first time round. So the first time round goes first time. This is the second time. When we get to the 15th fret on the B string, we're going to pull back. So first time. Second time. See what we did there? We just held the note down and just pulled back. Don't go too far down. Just by a few frets. So first time. Second time. Third. Back to the first time again. And then what we've got is something amazing. So we're going to reach up to the 16th fret of the B string, and we're going to bend the string up until we've reached an E note. So that note, we've got to reach that on the 16th fret of the B string. So we've got to bend it up till we get to there. And it's going to sound like this when you play the B string and the E string together. Okay, so that's how that's done. So all together, first time. Then. So that's the guitar part of it. Now the piano part, which goes. Show you how that's done. So, first off, we're going to be 8th fret of the B string, and then 5th fret of the E string. So we got then back to the B string again, little finger, and then B string again, 5th fret. So we got all together, and then we're going to go from the 5th fret B string up to the 8th fret B string, 5th fret E string, then back, and then we're going to be on the 7th fret of the E string. So up to this point we've got, okay, one more time. Okay, so that's 8th fret of the B string, 5th fret E string, 8th fret B string, 5th fret B string, and then we play that again up to the 8th fret, 5th fret E string, 8th fret B string, 7th fret E string, twice on the 5th fret of the E string, and then we're going to go 8th fret B string, and then 5th fret of the B string. So all together, okay, and then we're going to go just 8th fret B string, and then 5th fret E string. Got it? And then we're going to move up to a new position, which is the F-shaped position we've been using a lot of. This time on the 7th fret, right? And we're going to go. So that is a D string, E string, and then we're going to put our little finger on the 10th fret of the B string. So watch the pick. It's going to go D, E, B string, little finger on, and then back to the D string again, right? And then we lift that little finger off. So D, E, B string, little finger on, and then we're going to go down to G string, B string. So, and then we're going to go back up from the G string back to the D string. Okay, so all together. So D, E, little finger on, then D string, and then, which is G, B, and then back G, D, and then we're gonna bar with our 3rd finger, and we're gonna slide up from the 8th to the 9th fret. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So. Time. So we've got D string, E string, and then little finger on the B string on the 10th fret. Back to the D, G, B, G, D, slidey, sliding. Right, so that's the guitar solo. So all together then it goes. Right, now moving on, the ending. So the ending goes, let's take it from this bit. I'll be so lonely, baby. I'll be so lonely I could die. Then we go. So let me show you how that's done. So, I'll be so lonely I could die. I want you to put your first finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. Then play the D string open. Then we're going to be 4th fret of the A string, 2nd fret A string, then open A, 4th fret E string, 2nd fret E string, and then E open. So really slowly then. So 2nd fret D string, then D string open, then 4th fret A, 2nd fret A string open, 4th fret E, 2nd fret E string open. Then what we've got an F major 7 sliding down to a E major 7. Now that's going to sound like this. And then you can give it a little vibrato by slightly wobbling the strings. Now the way we're going to play that, let me just show you how that chord looks. We've got our first finger on the 8th fret of the E string. Then we've got our little finger on the 10th fret of the B string. 9th fret on the G string is our 2nd finger, and then 10th fret D string is our 3rd finger, and then we're going to pull that down from that position, same shape, pull it down a semitone to the E major 7. Okay, F major 7, and it sounds even better if you, instead of holding down the first finger there on the E string, actually barring it. Yeah? So we got, and then come all the way up here, and then bar it. Up, so there'll be up. I'll be so lonely I could die. Got it? So there we are, blues people, Heartbreak Hotel. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any other song suggestions, you know, songs you'd like me to show you how to play in future videos. So if you like today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar based tutorials. I'm always so very grateful. A big thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed to my videos up to this point. Thank you very much, much appreciated. And I will see you again in the next video. Take great care of yourselves, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.